Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 600, or if you're getting the error of this account is prohibited from accessing this experience. So first of all you have to do is open your phone's settings and type date on the search of your settings. Go to date and time, and then you have to make sure set time automatically toggle is turned on. Now check if your problem is fixed or not. But if your problem is still not fixed, all you have to do is long press your Roblox game icon and click on the app info. Swipe down just a bit, click on storage and cache, and you have to clear both, clear cache and clear the storage as well. Now open the Roblox game once again, and if your problem is still not fixed, then you can go to your Play Store. You can open your Play Store and search for Roblox and check if any update is available for Roblox or not. And check after updating. Once you're updated and check the game, if this error is still not fixed, then what you have to do is open your web browser on your phone and then type Roblox support, hit enter, click on the top search result, and then sign in with your account. Enter your date of birth, type in your username, your first name, your email address, confirm your email address, issue details. You have to select Android phone or iPhone. I will select Android phone, and then I will select technical support, and then I will select cannot visit experience. And then you have to give a brief description of your issue. You have to tell them that you're getting error code 600 or you're getting the error of prohibited from accessing this experience. Click on continue, and Roblox support will contact you on your provided email address, and then hopefully your problem will be fixed. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.